You know what separates the good wedding DJs from the great ones? It's not just talent, it's preparation. Those perfectly mixed segments that sound like they're being crafted live, the seamless transitions that keep the dance floor moving, that magic happens long before the wedding day. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how DJ.Studio is revolutionizing the way we prepare our sets. What's going on, wedding warriors? Today, I'm going to reveal how the most polished DJs in the business are using DJ.Studio to create studio quality segments that elevate their entire performance. This isn't about replacing your live mixing skills. It's about enhancing them. First, I'm going to show you how DJ.Studio works in perfect harmony with your existing DJ software. So right now I'm crafting a cocktail hour set for an upcoming wedding. And you know these certain moments, they need to be perfect. Crucial transitions between formal moments. DJ.Studio lets you craft these segments with studio level precision. So my bride loves these pop tracks from Drake, Beyonce, Calvin Harris. Her family wants some classic Marvin Gaye and some Justin Bieber. I want you to see how the software automatically arranges tracks in perfect harmony. See, this isn't about matching BPMs, it's about creating flowing musical stories that sound like they're being mixed live by a master DJ. All right, let me show you something truly game-changing. You know those wedding moments that need to be absolutely perfect? The grand entrance, the first dance transition, the cake-cutting backdrop? Watch this. With DJ.Studio, you can spend time in your studio crafting these moments to perfection. Every transition, every blend, every musical moment exactly as you or your client envision. When you're done, exporting is simple. Your studio quality segments integrate perfectly into your live performance software. So here's what this means for your weddings. Instead of stressing about technical perfection during key moments, you're free to read the room, connect with your clients, and make sure every moment lands exactly right. Your basic segments are prepared to studio quality, giving you more mental space to focus on what really matters, creating unforgettable experiences. The truth is, being a great wedding DJ isn't just about mixing, it's about creating moments. By preparing your key segments in DJ.Studio, you're free to be more present, more responsive, and more creative during the event itself, giving you the best of both worlds, prepared perfection and live flexibility. If you're ready to transform your preparation process, the link for DJ.Studio is in the description below. Start crafting your signature segments today and watch it elevate your entire performance. Your clients will notice the difference and you'll feel the difference. DJ.Studio, perfect preparation, flawless performance.